happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you turning?
16.
Cool. I just committed a felony with a 16-year-old.
Dude, you got my hand shaking.
Welcome back, another video. This video is gonna be the definition of a deal is a deal. This man drove 3 hours to come get a ride in the car on his birthday. First of all, happy birthday. I hope I don't let you down or blow up. So we're gonna show him the beans. Honestly, I haven't even driven it that hard, so this is gonna be my first time driving it like that. Hopefully all goes well.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
I went into a ditch once, you know that?
Yeah, I saw.
Hopefully we don't do that again.
Saw you and Toby go into a ditch.
All right, come on now. All right, so I got the camera set up because we got to drive with 2 hands so your mom doesn't kill me. We are going to be on boost setting 3, which is the slowest one. Okay. So we're only going to be at like 750 wheel.
All right, that's more than I've ever had, so.
Cool, me too.
Ended my video with that.
What do you mean? That is lowest power, 3rd gear.
It's the fastest car I've been in. Dude, you got my hand shaking. That's nothing, and I'm shaking.
I mean, it's pretty. It's some power. I'd turn it up, but I think it may blow the tires off.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that's pretty cool.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
I want to make this. I want to make a U-turn right there, but I don't think I can. asking? Like a little more.
Okay.
A little.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem. We'll ask them, and they want to race for some money. I'm gonna ask this guy. All right, so I'm gonna tell them that it's your birthday and that your mom is in there, and I gotta drop you off. You gotta play it cool.
We went the speed limit the whole time.
They're like, oh, are you that dipshit that just flew right by, going like 100? Hopefully, it lets us back. Jesus.
No, not again.
Dude, come on now. So I gave the kid a ride for his birthday, and I gotta drop him off with his mom.
Oh, then, yeah, you can come through.
That is how you get in, baby.
That was
Here,
fun.
hold that right in front of your face. Where's my boy at? He was right there. That was him.
Yeah.
Okay. Thoughts?
It's crazy.
He's been to the track, what, 3 times?
3 times.
He's
Yes.
seen me 3 times at the track. You were there a year ago today when I blew my torque converter.
Yes.
Then you were there when I came back.
And then I got a picture with you.
You got a picture with me, I remember that. And then, did I go a 3rd time? For the single turbo? You were there for the single turbo?
No. I went one more time after that. No.
Oh, that's right, I went with Toby.
Yeah.
And I didn't run anything crazy, but I ran okay.
I wish I was there for the 9, but I didn't.
You gonna be there when I run with the twins?
Hopefully.
Where do you live at? How far is that from Valdosta?
Hour and a half, I think.
Alright, cool.
Hour.
What do you
I'm not
think?
sure.
1 out of 10.
10.
He's just saying that. Alright.
No, 9.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you turning?
16.
Cool. I just committed a felony with a 16-year-old.